This RE/MAX Equity Group property video is presented by KarenBeers. Wonderful Westbrook single-level home with the most desired floor plan in the community. Light and bright in unit. Your cosmetic touches will make this home shine with its spacious living room west/fireplace, formal dining, large kitchen west/nook, 2 bedrooms/2 bath, gas heat, AC, garage plus extra parking space. Home sides to greenspace. Community amenities include 2 pools, community garden, green spaces and meandering paths. Great opportunity to make this home your own. For more information, review the details below or contact KarenBeers at 503-270-4589.